Going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I was just putting one of the shocks back on so I can move the bike. I had taken them off. I actually did it like a couple days after the last video. I just wanted to see what the bike would look lowered or whatever. So yeah, but I need to put one back just so I can move it. And yeah, so let's get to what we're going to do today. Today we're going to be installing the tires on here. These are Shinko 270s. I really like the thread on them. I like that classic look. So here's the back tire, here's the front tire, and yeah, I just want to mock them up like I said last time. I just want to see how everything fits on here, you know, once I put the fender on and once I chop everything off. I kind of have a better idea of the look I want to go for. So yeah, that's the project for today, and I guess we should just get to it. Alright, first one off. Here it is. Man, this thing is so nasty. It's just like, that's so satisfying. Here, oddly satisfying. Yeah, so here's the first one. Never done this before, at least not with a motorcycle. I've done bicycles, but not a motorcycle. I've never changed the tire out on a motorcycle. I'm thinking it's very similar to changing it on a bike, except there's not as stretchy as a bicycle tire. So I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm gonna do this one, and if it comes out good and I do a good job, I'll do the back one. If not, then I'm still gonna do the back one, but we're gonna have to figure it out. But let me show you what I got. I bought these tire spoons and rim protectors off of Amazon. What is this? Nico. They feel pretty sturdy. I'm not gonna lie, they feel pretty good. So I'm gonna try to do that wheel, and hopefully it turns out good. So let me take a stab at it. that was a little bit embarrassing. Took a lot more effort than I was supposed to put into it, but I got it off. I didn't film when I took it off actually. The first, like breaking the bead, the top bead was really easy. And then trying to get like the back of the tire to get off of the rim, I was struggling a little bit. And then as soon as I turned off the camera, I did it. I watched a bunch of videos right now. I was watching a bunch of videos right now, but as soon as I turned off the camera, like I put the spoon in there and it just popped off. I'm like, great, I didn't get it. So anyway, here it is. We took it off, and here's the wheel. That tire is pretty toast also. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but right there you can see all the sun wear. This thing's old. I don't know. I don't even know when was the last time they changed the tires on this thing. So, up with that one. Now let's put this guy on, if that's the front one. All right. Hopefully I can do this a lot easier than taking it off. Hopefully. That took way too long. That took way too long. I know some of you are gonna watch this video and you're gonna be like, really, you're struggling that bad? Yes, I'm struggling that bad. I'm telling you, I've never done this before. I've never done a tire before. I've done bicycle tires, not this. Oh man. I didn't get the hang of it. I'm still gonna struggle with the other one, trust me. But let's get it inflated and see at least how it looks on the bike. Whew! Mira, se la cambié.
Paciencia que tenemos nuestro.
So I got some bad news.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's got a small hole. It's not a big deal. Again, I just wanted to get them mounted. Honestly, once it's like done or whatever, I could always take it to a tire shop for them to like put some sealant on it, or I could put some actually. I didn't put any actually, now that I think about it. Oh well. But yeah, I could definitely take it to a tire shop real quick just for them to fix it up real quick, put some sealant. It might be because I didn't clear the wheel, or I might have damaged it a little bit right now with the spoons. I'm gonna go with maybe I damaged it with the spoons, maybe, I don't know. But it definitely looks better. I like the look that it has. Definitely what I was going for. So let me mount it back up and then I'll move on to the back tire. Oh man, it looks so good. Like, it actually changes the look of it quite a bit. I was worried that it wasn't gonna fit, but I have way more than enough space in the middle. So plus I'm gonna grind all of this off, so it looks great. It really looks good. Definitely gives it that like old school chopper look with this wheel setup. I didn't really like the wheels, to be honest, but I don't really have much choice. I was contemplating whether I should like swap these wheels out for something else, like try to retrofit something. But right now that I put this tire on these wheels, I actually do like it. It actually looks pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of starting to grow on me now. Here's the other side without the. I like the squared look that it gives it. It looks dope. I like it. I really do. Anywho, let's move on to the back. This one's gonna be a little bit more work because we have the rear brake, but it should be fine. Alrighty, so here's the final result for now. I really like these tires. Definitely good purchase. It looks so much better. I swear, these wheels, like I said, I didn't like these wheels, but honestly with these tires, I dig it. I actually dig it, so it's gonna work. I'm still debating on this. Like, I actually like how this looks now. I might replace it with spokes. I saw a few wheels for sale on OfferUp. I mean on Facebook Market. But yeah, so far that's what it is. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm very happy how the tires turned out. I learned something new. I definitely struggled. You saw it. You guys saw I was struggling. I wasn't, faking anything. I was struggling. I really did. First time I did it, learned something new. Very happy. So yeah, if you guys also have any questions of if I can help in any way, let me know. You just want to comment on the bottom, and I'll just reply to whatever you guys want to know. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, help me grow this channel so we can continue to build these awesome bikes. But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys next time.